Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie. In this week's video, we are taking you along on the first leg of our U.S. road trip out west from Memphis, Tennessee. Last week, I shared what we packed for the trip. If you haven't seen last week's video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Now, let's go check out Nebraska, Wyoming, and Utah. We are on a road trip out west. This is our second night. I forgot to film earlier. Anyway, we are in Ogallala, Nebraska. We are staying at the Hampton Inn, which is right off exit 126 on 80 West, or I guess I-80. Anyway, we got upgraded. This hotel is brand new. It still smells brand new. We had a king room. That's all we had actually booked, just a king bed, but we got upgraded. So we also have a couch, and the fact that we are here way early in the day, it's pretty nice. So we even have a big TV with my name on it, so that's pretty cool. And the room is very spacious. Everything is new. Everything smells very clean, and everything you would expect in a bathroom: a toilet, a shower, and a sink. And there you have the Hilton King Suite in Ogallala, Nebraska. This road for a natural area for elk, and we decided to take it. I drive a Nissan Maxima, and we have seen come across several areas that have had gullies, and this may not have been our smartest move yet. And it's about 5 miles long, but we're going to keep going because it might be worse to turn around at this point. They come charging my car. That'd be funny. So we are on a 6-week road trip. We are currently crossing through Utah. This is US 80. And here is the tree of Utah. It's fenced in. I'm wondering if it's actually like a wireless tower that just has some weird decoration. Anyway, there's a gate that's been removed, or it's open, and a bunch of junk on the outside, so it's interesting. Not a lot of parking, maybe, I don't know, 20, 30 cars can get in here. It's kind of weird, but we stopped anyway. So about 10 minutes after the Tree of Utah, there's a rest area. It only has porta potties, but anyway, there are porta potties. And there is an area that you can come out and check out and walk out upon the salt flats. Mountains in the background, but it's super hazy today. You might not be able to see that, but pretty cool. If we go a little bit farther, we'll hit the Bonnieville salt flats where they do the racing, and we're on our way there next. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. Check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We hope you have a great new year, and we'll see you next Thursday.